Welcome back to Wrayography number 2. This will get you some extra credit points or make up a zero that you might have missed. Wrayography number 1 was about latitude and longitude. This one is about different types of maps and parts of maps. And we're going to start talking about the different types of maps. As you can see here, here's a type of physical map. Shows mountains, doesn't show any names or places, anything like that. Okay, it shows mountains, shows rivers, plateaus. You see the Columbia Plateau here, and you got the Snake River. You got the Missouri and the Mississippi and the Appalachian Mountains and the ocean. Okay, it does have a few cities, but nothing too big. There's a political map. Names of states, maybe a city right there, Washington D.C. or something like that. A climate map. Remember, arid means dry, so we're in the temperate zone, which kind of means middle. Here's a population map. Okay. Interesting map. So there's the 4 types of maps. Okay, so you should have your pen and pencil ready to go. This is number 1. Tell me what type of map this is. Notice what it shows, what it's labeling. So tell me what type of map this is. That's number 1. Okay, now we're going to move to the next part. And this is all about parts of the map. Okay? So I'm going to have you write down for number 2, 3, 4, and 5 the parts of the map that we're going to talk about. So 4 parts. Okay? We're going to talk about the map title. It tells us everything we need to know. Compass rose. Tells us which way is north, south, east, or west. Okay? Never eat soggy waffles. Never ever smoke weed. However you remember it, that's the 4 cardinal directions. Map key or legend. This is one of the most important parts. It shows us what all the symbols on the map mean. And the last one, map scale. Okay, it shows us the distances. Okay, for every centimeter we go, it might be 100 miles or something like that. So, for 2, 3, 4, and 5, you label those 4 parts of the map. Okay? Then, I'm going to have you go to the website that's right below the video. Okay, in the description where it says something about here's Wrayography number 2, and then it has a blue line. You're going to click on that. Okay, it's going to bring you to a Jeopardy game. It's going to look like this. So you choose your teams. You're just going to want one team because you're playing by yourself. No timer. And Final Jeopardy, yes. Okay, so you're going to hit go play. It's going to bring it up something like this. Okay? So, for example, you might click 10 points. What explains the symbols used on a map? Well, that's easy because we just learned it. A key. So I know what the answer is, so I'm going to click answer. Map key. So I go adjust scores. I got it correct. Team 1 is correct. I just got 10 points. Now I go back home. Okay, that one's done. Now I go down. Okay, stay in order. Don't go to the 50s or the 30s or 20. Just go 10, 20, 30, 40 down, whatever you want. Okay, do all of the questions. For number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, you have to write down the question and the answer to all of the 50-point questions. So the last 5 questions, you have to write down the 50-point questions and answers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Good luck. Turn it in when you get done.